everybody, this is me Bella again. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited today because I finally had the time to visit Miniso, which is a store in Ambience Mall in Vasant Kunj, and it's a very well-known store out of India, but it has come to India only very recently, and it's a very small outlet in Vasant Kunj. I really wanted to visit it, and I'm finally here with Miniso haul, and I'm very excited. Let's dig in and see what have I got from Miniso store. I was really disappointed because they did not have the beauty section. Oh my god, their beauty section is like the cutest Japanese things that you get there. By the way, Miniso is a Japanese store which is very famous all over the places where it has opened their stores. In India they have come very recently, so everything there is like quite reasonable and very cute, the way Japanese things mostly are, beauty things. So they did not have a beauty section, but I got stuff from the other sections that were there in Vasant Kunj Mall. So let's start with the first item. I'll show you the smallest one, and I love this. So I got this earring. Oh, had such beautiful collection of earrings, and they were quite reasonably priced as well, from 150 to 290 rupees. So I got this white, pink and pearl and golden earring. So the earring is really cute. I don't know whether it's in focus, but it has a golden base with a golden metal bar here, and then you have this beautiful white flower. I mean, I loved it. And you have this pearl and then some disco pom-pom, very nice, and a pink colored stone here. I don't know if you can see it. So here it is. The top golden button here makes it even more sophisticated and costly. I really liked it. If it's not in focus, I'll click a picture and you'll see the color. I don't think it's getting reflected on the camera. I'll click a picture and I'll post it right now. I loved this earring, and this was only for 230 rupees. I don't mind the price because it has so many stuff in it. It has metals, it has pom-poms, it has the flowers. So this is how it looks like. I love it. It is so unique, it's so different. A collection of different things in the earring. So what more do you want? So I love it. I'll keep wearing this, and this was the first thing that I picked up from Miniso. The second thing is, look at how cute this bag is. When I saw this, I was like, I have to get it. And my friend and her sister, all three of us got the same bag because it was so reasonable and so cute. This is very similar to the pop art that I did, and if you haven't seen the video, then I'll leave the link here. I made a pop art frame, I think it's there, I think, yeah, it's here, one is here and the other one is here. And when I saw this, I was like, I had to get it. Look at how cute this is. This is a makeup or utility bag. So it says hey, and it has a psychedelic arrangement of patterns and colors. Then you have this very cute written hey here. This is made of soft rubber so that you can pull it off easily. So then you have this hey cacti written on both the pink and the black side of it, and these are detachable as well. So it has the same pattern in both the side. How cute is it? Don't you love it? It's a really good quality. And when you open it, ta-da! You have another chain. I mean, the attention to details is ridiculous. It would be so easy for you to just grab on to this bag using this pink, very nice pink colored, very good quality strap. I loved it. The inside of it is quite big. I can easily put in around 10-15 items in this particular bag pouch. The best part about this particular bag is that it is only for 230 rupees. So this earring and this bag are of the same price, and how can that be? I don't understand. And it's so effing cute. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Continuing the pop art theme, I got two notebooks. These two were for 150, so one was for 75 rupees, which is quite reasonable. I will get it for the same price outside, and it will not be as cute as this one. This is how it looks like. It has two different colors. So you get these two notebooks. How pretty are they? And it's a very good thick notebooks as well. It's not like the thin one that you get in Happily Unmarried, and like very very thin. I mean, they were I think around 10-15 pages. This has 80 sheets, so 80 pages, which is like really good for 75 rupees. Plus it's a hardbound cover. It's not the soft one, paper cover, it's a hardbound. And you haven't even seen the best part, which is inside. I'll show you. So this is how it looks like up front. It is such good paper quality. I mean, like very thick paper quality. And look at the top, it says ha, and there's a star, and there's a teardrop design here, and another small cloud with rainfall. Oh my god, they are so cute. The attention to detail is what I love about Miniso. So it is in every page, and they have so many pages, so I love it. These are again cacti printed, very nice ink print. I love it. Next thing that I want to show you is something that I'm like extremely excited about, and you will see why. Look at this. How cute is this? How cute the checkered portion is, and there is this Snog Me written here. It's a very cute panda style. So this is a neck pillow. I keep traveling here and there, and on flights I always get the middle seat, and if you have the middle seat, all of you will know that you do not have a headrest, nor do you have proper armrest. So I thought I had always been wanting to buy a neck pillow so that I can use it if I'm in the middle of the seat, in the middle seat on flights. And look at how cute this is. Oh my god, I love it. I did not even think twice. So if you are traveling, then you can just sleep like this, and there will be no strain on your neck. Neck pillows are generally around 899 rupees to 1500, 2000 rupees most of the time, even in airports or in the mall. This was only for 290 rupees, so quite a big saver in terms of the cash. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is the mirror. I had a very similar mirror, a bigger one in size, but because I'm so clumsy, I dropped it and it shattered into pieces. So this time I thought I would buy a smaller one. So I got hold of this. So mirror that you can rotate 360 degree, and it has a macro zoomed in side as well as a normal side to it. So the macro one would be very beneficial when you're doing your makeup, when you're doing your eyebrow, you're plucking your eyebrows. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I know you can see my tripod and my camera. Hi camera. So it's made of very good plastic material, and this one is metal, and you can rotate this 360 degree. So this is made of metal, and you can just shut it if when not in use and put it in your purse, or else if you want to keep it on your desk, you can just open it up like this and put it on your table, and it will be very sturdily resting on your table. So I got this mirror, and I know that I'll use it quite a lot. This was for only 150 rupees, and I know that I'll not get these mirrors anywhere else for 150 rupees. Last two things that I got are utility things. So I got this cotton earbuds, but I did not get this for the cotton buds inside. I just got it because of the packaging. I just got it for the box. You generally get square shaped, rectangle shaped, circular shaped boxes everywhere, but where do you get cotton bud included star shaped box anywhere else than Miniso? So I got this cute star shaped box for that. So when you open it, you have like so many earbuds, and these are very good quality ones, not the ones that you get for like 10 rupees outside. So when these earbuds are over, I'll remove this and I'll use it to keep my jewelry and my nicks and knacks, bits and bobs. This was for 150 rupees for 500 pieces of earbuds as well as the box. So I've got, so these are basically hangers that you get outside, but in white, off-white and pink color, and this was only for 75 rupees. I saw the very same kind of, in fact worse quality kind of hangers in Sarojini Nagar. It was for 150 rupees. I thought, why not get hold of this? Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can use it for your child's innerwear or your own innerwear, doesn't really matter, or for anything else, for your handkerchiefs, for your scarves, etc. I will use it for my scarves. So I have lots and lots of scarves. I'll hang it like this whenever I have to wash them and dry them. So yeah, this is so cute, and it's such a good quality as well. It rotates properly. This is how it looks like. In case you're not using it or you're traveling and you want to carry this with you, they have a provision for that as well. You can just pull it down from here. It will come like this. I can just put it inside your bag. This was my last thing and it was for 75. Did I mention that? My last product. I wanted to get so many other things as well, but I had to limit myself because I'm waiting for the Christmas, New Year stuff, if they stock up at all, which I'm hoping they will. So I'll go there with my sister again. If you want to watch another haul, Miniso haul, please leave a comment down below and give it a big like. I'll do it again. Maybe they'll bring up some Christmassy stuff, you never know. So I'll go there during the Christmas time, December end, and I'll get hold of more stuff. So if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and interesting videos. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.